It's an exciting day. We're back. We're delivering today in the area of Spanish Town on the delivery trail. So fasten your seatbelt. Let's go.
Hey guys, morning. Saturday, we know it's sunny, it's beautiful. We're in Spanish Town. I know you saw the journey getting here. Today we are here to do deliveries because you know holiday coming up and everybody want that stuff. We got it. We have it. We got you. So deliveries today is very, very, very heavy. But because we are all strong men, we can handle. Right, Sir Brown?
Yes, sir.
Well, I know this is your first delivery, first time you're using us. I know your impression is going to be an important thing as to how you move forward. So tell us first impression. We know first impression last. What your first impression of us?
Well, I'm very happy for the delivery. It was on time, it was timely. We got notification when it was here,
Right.
when it should be cleared and all of that. And it's right at my gate.
Perfect. Even though the dog them bad, I ain't not going inside. Well, the dog them bad, I'm not going inside.
We
Oh,
have
them
bad
gone.
dogs
Them-
inside.
So, as he said, he is pleased about the notifications and, right around notification as to what's going to happen. This, however, is a heavy delivery. I want to help you to take it inside, but I don't know, maybe I can push it through the gate. Because Rover look like he want to eat somebody.
These dogs, they're just a baby, so they really cross.
All right, so I know is your brother sign up the account, right? So when you're going to join?
I'll join soon.
You'll
I
join
don't
soon.
really get a lot of package overseas, but
Okay.
I have certain things I need from over there, so
Right.
I'm going to sign up soon.
All right, looking forward to having you on board. All right, pleasure meeting you. And I'm going to just put them over the fence. So guys, remember, big or small, light or, hold on, help me with this now. Yeah, or heavy. I'm sure you get the point. We deliver it for you. We get it to your doorstep all day, every day. Have a good one.